Alright, hi students. Now, it may be new to some persons, it may be not. Alright, so this morning we're going to look at adding. Alright, when we add things together, we will get more. When we add things together, we will get more. Now, let's look at these two numbers. Now, there's something to know before we even start. Now, this sign is called a plus sign. What is this called? A plus sign. And what does it look like? The common or the lowercase t, and this sign is called the equal sign. This sign is called the plus sign. This sign is called the equal sign. Whenever we see this sign in mathematics or numeracy, right, it means that you must count everything together. Count everything together. But before we can count, there's nothing on top. So what we are going to do, the number here tells us how many circles must be on top. So we have this number and this number. What's the name of this number? Alright, so you said 7, which is correct. What's the name of this number? Good. 2. So 7 means I'm going to draw 7 circles above numeral 7. Remember to count. When you reach 7, then you're supposed to, very good, stop. So let's do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7. Now let's come over to this side. 2. So we should draw 2 circles. 1, 2. So let's read our problem. 7 plus 2 equal, I don't know. How would I know? So to know, you have to count everything together. You have to continue counting. So let's go now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 7 plus 2 gives me 9. So you're going to write the number in the box. So you put the number 9 in the box. Alright, let's move on to some more. 6. What is this sign called again? Plus 1. And this one is called equal. So the first thing I must do is what? Alright, so I'm going to look at my numbers, and my number tells me how many circles to draw. So I'm looking at this numeral, and that numeral is numeral 6. So it tells me to draw 6. And when you're drawing your circle, draw them small so it can be right on top of the numbers. Alright, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I come over to the next side. I see numeral 1. So I'm going to draw how many circles? 1. So 6 plus 1 equal. To get your answer, you have to count all the circles together. So let's do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, you continue counting. 7. So 6 plus 1 equal 7. Alright, let's try this one now. You tell me what I'm supposed to do with this one. So I'm going to read it for you. It says 3 plus 1 equal an empty box. You can't leave the box empty. You have to give me an answer. So what should you do? Very good. So you look at your number first. Alright, this is numeral 3. And 3 tells me how many circles to be above it. So I'm going to draw how many? 3. I can also draw 3 on this side too. So let's do that now. 1, 2, 3. Let's go over to the other side. 1, 2, and 3. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4,